In today's video, we are going to break down the 4 different types of data analytics. Each serves a unique purpose in the journey from data to action. Whether it's in understanding what happened, figuring out why, and predicting what next, or deciding the best course of action. Each type of analytics plays a unique role. Let's dive in and understand each of it. The first type is Descriptive Analytics. What it does? Descriptive Analytics answers the question, what happened? It summarizes the past data and providing insights into historical trends and patterns. For example, you might have seen sales report or the performance dashboard that shows metrics over the time. The second type is Diagnostic Analytics. What it does? Diagnostic Analytics goes a step further by answering why it happened. It focuses on identifying the reason behind the past performance or trends. For example, root cause analysis or variance analysis or identifying the correlation between variables are all called as diagnostic analysis. The third one is Predictive Analytics. What it does? Predictive Analytics forecasts future outcomes by analyzing historical data and identifying patterns. It answers what is likely to happen. Examples of predictive analytics are sales forecasting, churn prediction, or customer behavior predictions. These can be done by using the techniques like regression analysis, machine learning, or time series analysis. The fourth one is prescriptive analytics. What it does? Prescriptive analytics provide recommendations on what should be done. It suggests action to achieve desired outcome or optimize processes. For example, supply chain optimization or the recommendation system that suggests products to the customer. This is just a glimpse of different type of data analytics. Hope you enjoy the video and learn a bit. See you soon in the next video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe the PyLabs.